Part 6. Listening to Viewpoints. You will hear a report once. It is about 3 minutes long. After the audio, 6 questions will appear. Choose the best answer for each question from the drop-down menu.
Welcome to Community Matters. Today we're discussing a proposal for a new off-leash dog park in the Meadowlark neighborhood. Presenting different views, we have David Chen, who supports the park, and Linda Novak, who has some concerns. David, why do you think this park is a good idea?
Thanks, Maria. Our neighborhood has many dogs but no safe place for them to run off-leash. A dog park is great for their health and socialization. It also helps neighbors connect and build community. The proposed site is an empty lot on Elm Street that is currently not being used for anything. It seems like the perfect opportunity to create a valuable community space. I believe it would make our neighborhood more attractive.
I see it differently, David. I live right across from that lot. My main worry is the noise. I can't imagine listening to dogs barking all day long, especially in the summer when my windows are open. It would destroy the peaceful character of our street. I am also concerned about the potential for mess. Even with rules, some people won't clean up after their pets. It's just not pleasant for the people living nearby.
I understand those points. But the proponents of the park have suggested limiting the hours, for example, from 8 in the morning until 9 at night. That would contain the noise to reasonable times. For the cleanup issue, the city will install plenty of waste bins and provide bags. Most dog owners are responsible. Also, a high fence around the park would keep the dogs safely inside and prevent them from bothering passersby.
A fence is good, but it doesn't eliminate all the risks. What about fights between dogs or a dog biting a person? That's a serious safety issue. The city's liability in case of an accident could be very costly. I also believe a dog park could lower property values for the houses immediately surrounding it. Many of my neighbors agree with me. The support for this park is certainly not unanimous.
Liability is a standard issue for all public spaces. The city has insurance for these things. And I disagree about property values. A well-managed park can be a positive feature that attracts people to an area. That's why we were able to get over 500 signatures on a petition supporting the park. There is a lot of enthusiasm for this project.
So what is the next step in this process?
Our group is presenting the petition to the City Council at their meeting next month. We hope to get their approval then.
My neighbors and I have also written a letter to the council. We'll be at the meeting to ask them to look at other locations, away from residential streets.
Thank you both for a very informative discussion. It's clear the community has a lot to consider on this matter.